That's why I told you about it the other day. Hello, welcome to lobolashes.com. I'm Lauren Lobo and I'm here with my mom.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. It's Mommy and Me lash tutorial, Christmas edition. I had a previous video where I put the lashes on her, but today I'm going to coach her through putting them on herself because it's not that hard.
We'll be here till New Year's.
We will not be here till New Year's because it's not that hard. Today, she has fairy. These look very similar to her lash extensions. Tools you need for if you have lash extensions are your lashes, your brush. You're going to get your handy dandy tweezers. You don't have lash extensions, get your pair of lashes, you get your mascara, and you get your tweezers. Okay. First, brush your lashes out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to minimal mascara. Step number 2, pick up your lash.
How do I know which is which?
That is an open eye style, so it can go on either eye. Remove your lash anchors from your lash. And now if you have a new pair, your pair might be stiff, or if you haven't used them in a while, they might be stiff. So you always U-shape it, so it's easier to put on your eye. Now let's go ahead and place it on our left eye. Okay, now with your tweezers, pick up your tweezers. With your case. You can also do this step beforehand. You're going to pick up your first lash anchor.
How should we pick up?
I generally use my index finger and my thumb and hold it like this. Pick up the lash anchor by the lashes.
Okay, which way should the lash be?
So you're going to hold it by the lashes. Like that.
Okay.
Now go ahead and bring up that anchor to your eye, but remember you have to pull your eyelid up. I'm going to repeat that again.
Pull your eyelid up like this?
Yep.
Okay.
Your first one, do your inner. Okay, you're holding it weird. Always keep your hand, you want it up so you're not blocking it. Pull your eyelid up. Yep, and now do that first anchor. Go and feel that first anchor. You didn't let go. See? That's the problem right there. Once it connects, let go of the tweezer because it's there. So if you don't let go of the tweezer, you're pulling it further from your lash line and you're going to have a gap. So I saw what she did there. We're going to pinpoint it. The lashes usually tell which way the magnet's going. Yes. Yes. Once you feel it, go. Once you feel it, let go. Okay, let go. It's on there?
Yes, ma'am.
It's on there. Okay, now. And again, everyone's different, but do what's easier for you. I do inner, outer, middle. Come on, let go. Like, yes, there you go. Like that. Can everybody see that?
Yes.
Wait, no, open your arm up. Why would you go like this? Yeah, like that. Just make sure you see it.
I can't do that by doing that.
Okay, then you switch your hand up. Make everything work with you. Make your arms work with you. See, look at that clear view.
Wow.
Go ahead and just do the middle. Yep. Yep, and magnetize. Do the second eye. Anybody says it's hard, it's because you're not getting the positioning of your arms right. The best thing I can say is just open up. Don't go like this. Why would you crowd yourself? Go above if you need to. Break your lash, or did you break? I'll show you another trick.
I gotta go to the first tricks first.
All right, now pull up, and you see. You see this finger I'm using? This helps push it as close as it needs to be. Pull up, and just drop it. Drop it off. Drop it off. Just drop it. Let go. Let go.
It didn't clip. Good.
Sometimes, if you just let go, it'll find itself. It's a magnet. Magnets find themselves. You're not placing it. There we go.
1 hour later.
Let go. You let go too late. You get here, and instead of just letting the lash go, you're going like this. You're pulling it away, so it's pulling it off your eyelash. When you get there, let it go. Okay, there we go. Now you're going to go for the outer corner.
3 hours later.
You let your tweezer kiss it. Don't let the tweezer kiss it. That's why you're holding by the lash.
Several days later. So we got somewhere today. I'm pretty sure she's gonna practice herself. We do have to get to breakfast. Yep. Christmas breakfast. And it was almost New Year's. I hope you guys take the tips that I told her and apply it. Fill in your lashes with or just get rid of glue. It's possible.